Hello, have you ever tried to disable lock screen options on your Android smartphone? If you are using older versions of Android device, or if your phone operating with rebuilded software of Android version, then you may face the following issue. Turned off by administrator encryption policy or credential storage. You can see this grayed out information on swipe and non-category section of the lock screen. To fix this problem, you need to go to Security Settings. And the Credential Storage section. Then clear credential certificates. Now you can see the option lock screen's all options working. If it still doesn't, go back to the Security Settings. Then on the Device Administrator, uncheck the Personal Apps. Also in the Encryption section, if you use device encryption, then disable to decrypt your device. As you can see here, my device isn't encrypted yet.